Good morning, day 11 of 75 hard. This is where they all just start blending together. Listen, there is a general rule on 75 hard that if you have to ask, you probably already know the answer. I'll give you an example. Eating. When people are like, could I have? No. Like, as soon as you start questioning whether you should have something or not, whether it's allowed on the plan, answer's probably no. And that may seem kind of harsh, but look, you spent like 40 fucking years putting whatever you wanted to in your pie hole. Like, maybe for 75 days, you could just not do that. Another example, people keep trying to skirt the workout, and not, this isn't like the people that are doing this with me, but I see some Facebook groups where people are like, if I walk to the gym and my walk is 45 minutes, does that count as my workout? I mean, if you just want to count that as the workout and you don't want to count the gym as your workout, that's totally fine. But it's not about the path of least resistance this time. Like, yeah, in life in general, you usually want to be efficient with your time and efficient with your energy. I get all that, but there's just times where you have to challenge yourself. You don't have to. I mean, you can do whatever the fuck you want. But there's times where it is beneficial to challenge yourself. And if you're taking on the challenge of 75 hard, then choose hard. Choose the thing that's more difficult. Choose refraining from things that you would normally eat. Go run. I ran yesterday. I hate running, but I ran yesterday because A, it's what fit my schedule, but B, like, I was like, fuck it. I guess we're just going to do this today, and I did it. So anyway, it's 75 hard, not 75 weak ass bitch. Y'all have a great day. Keep making good choices. I'll see you later. Ladies and gentlemen, day 11 is a wrap, and I think it's important for people to celebrate your victories. This program, whatever else you're doing in life, like every day at the end of the day, you should be either mentally or physically writing down the list of all the things you accomplished today, because we are always our own worst critic, and we are always the last one to give ourselves credit for the good that we're doing. And so often we don't give ourselves the grace that we would give other people and the accolades that we would give other people. We downplay the things that we do. So today, I am going to celebrate that I got a haircut. Yeah, it's been a minute. As my wife said, my head was getting big, and not like ego-wise, just like physically, my head was getting big, because my hair, when it grows, it just gets puffy. It just keeps like expanding out for whatever reason. So celebrate your wins. Make it a great day. Keep making good choices. I'll see y'all tomorrow.